Hey, welcome back to my mythos. I'm RJ, and look what's finally arrived. Today is the 16th of December. Glossybox are getting worse at this. These things are meant to come out between the 5th and the 12th. I had to email them on the 12th and say, hi, my box hasn't arrived again. Where the chuff is it? And they eventually went, oh, it's at the warehouse, it's been sent out. And 4 days later, look what arrives. Funny and suspicious. So yes, if your box hasn't turned up, message them through the app. They do respond very quickly, but I've had to do it the last 4 months in a row, so I'm just so over it now. Anyway, this is the Glossybox for December 2022, the UK edition. It's a cute one this time. Look, we get another little tin. It's nice. It's a little bit Christmassy because it's got stars on and little wonders inside. They're going to be very little wonders, I bet. But yeah, okay, cool. It's a tin. Doesn't make up for it being weeks and weeks late. Okay, here's what it looks like inside. Oh, it says Wonders on the lid. Upside down. Okay, whatevs. Right, I thought I'd live unbox this because number one, I haven't been bothered to do my face, and number two, this video's so lit, nobody's going to actually watch it, so yay. I've got the little scan me card. Unfortunately, my tablet is completely dead, so I won't be scanning it. Yay! I'm going to make a guess at prices. So, something in here that is not even in the little wrappy thing. This is what was spoiled anyway on Sneak Peeked. This is the Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic, and it is the tiniest little bottle you've ever seen. It's a toner. Wipe it on your face. It's a toner. Woo! Oh, actually, I'll put the prices on when I'm editing this, so you will be able to see how much this is. I'm gonna guess this little bottle is worth about £3, because I know that they're not hugely expensive, the Pixie products. I've heard good things about this, but like, it's so tiny. I mean, it's cute AF, but yeah, it's really, really tiny. Okay, so that is the Glow Tonic. Now let's actually open the box proper. Ribbon, paper, look at all the fluff. And this is what we've actually got. Ooh, okay, interesting. So I've got 2 Glow Tonics, which makes me wonder if that Glow Tonic is... look, my cat cannot keep her food in a bowl. Anyway, it makes me wonder if this Glow Tonic is a mistake and I've now got doubled up, which I ain't complaining about, or if this is meant to be a bigger one. I'll find out when I scan the thing. Look, we were meant to get 2. Okay, I'm not lucky. Okay, what else have we got in here? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we've got 6 things technically this month. That's nice, that's different. I think I recognise this. I think this is going to be Elemis. Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. Oh, I've had this before. This is nowhere to be found in the magazine, so maybe I am lucky. Okay, yeah, this is a cleanser. This is really nice, so I'm okay with this. I'm gonna guess this little thing's maybe £7. Shrug. Yeah, this is cute. This is nice. I don't mind receiving this. It's a fairly nice face wash. I think you put it on. Helps clean, massage into damp skin. Yes, it's just for washing your face with. Brilliant. Okay, that's quite cute. I'm okay with that. Next, this. Oop. Give them Lala Beauty. It's a lip duo. Oh, so this is a lip liner and a lipstick. There's no shade. Oh, in the shade The Beach. So hang about, give me a second, and I'll get into this. Let's see. So you can see in there's a lip liner and a lipstick. So now I tend to prefer my liquid lipsticks, but I think this is a bullet one. So this is the lip liner. Give them Lala Beauty. In The Beach. Give me a second. Okay, so that's what colour the lip liner is. Okay. Okay, so this is the lipstick. That's a really cute packaging. It's plastic, and it's very, very plastic. But that's really cute. I like that design. Okay, let's see what colour. See what colour it is. Oh! Oh, it's hard to get off in one hand. There you go. Yeah, that's what she said. Okay, so that is a very neutral browny colour. Let me just swatch it, not be a second. Oh, I was wrong. That is really peach. Okay, so this is a lip kit and these two are meant to go together. So, yeah, I'll try it out and report back. I'll put a photograph in here. Okay, she actually cute, but she trying too hard to be Fenty Beauty with that package. Okay. It's different, definitely different. That looks like it'd be quite a hydrating lipstick though. That does look like it's got a nice shine to it, so could be nice. We shall see. Okay, next. Philip Kingsley Elasticizer Booster Restoring Conditioner. Okay, so this is for your hair. It's a conditioner. Cool. Philip Kingsley I know we've had before, so I'm going to guess this is also about £5 to £7. See if I'm correct. It's a conditioner. That's fine. It'll get used. It's not really exciting, but what the chuff ever. Pop. Next, let's go for this one. What's this? Hope Water Cream Hyaluronic Glow Moisturiser by Philosophy. Okay, so I know Philosophy are pretty well thought of. Oh, there's a thing on the lid. What does it say there? Your purchase helps support community-based mental health efforts. Oh, I hope Glossybox made some kind of donation to that. Alright, let's have a look what this actually looks like. Probably just be a squeezy tube of some variety, won't it? Yep. Oh, it's another tiny, tiny little tube. Hope in a jar. It's got pineapple extract in. Philosophy, live with optimism, renew with hope. Oh, God. So this is another one where we could have got one of a variety. So I've got this one, which is the glow. No, I haven't. I got this one, which is the moisturiser. We could have alternatively got a glow serum, or a rosewood reviving mist, or a foaming cleanser, or a makeup melting balm. I actually probably would have preferred either the makeup melting balm or the reviving mist. But yeah, moisturizer's fine. We get a lot of moisturizing in Glossybox, so can't say I'm really surprised. This month is the box of tiny things. Let's put that over there. Okay, and finally, this is another quite tiny thing. Oh, this is from the Beauty Crop, and this is Glow Milk Pressed Illuminating Powder. Okay. Okay, it's a pressed powder. Okay, it says swipe across the photon sun where sun would naturally kiss the oh, is this a highlighter? Okay, I thought this was a finishing powder. I think it might actually be a highlighter. So let's just have a look-see. Oh, God. Hang on. Okay, as nice as it is to see bubble wrap. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is a highlighter. It's looking quite gold. And I am very, very pale-skinned. So I've got a feeling this might be a little bit dark for me. Which is a shame, because I do really like the Beauty Crop stuff. It might not actually be too bad. It is quite a pale gold. It's a really nice pan embossing. It's got glittery. So let's just have a swatch, not be a second. Okay. Yeah, that's not going to be too dark, but it is very, very gold. I think that might possibly be more of an eyeshadow shade for a lot of people, but that is cute. Again, this is tiny, but I'm going to guess it's full. Oh, I didn't guess what the Philosophy's cost was. I bet that's about £5. Yeah, I think, because this is Beauty Crop, I'm going to say this is probably £7 to £10. Let's say. Let's see how good I am at my price guessing. But yes, the Glow Milk Highlighter Compact. Okay, cute. So it looks like the highlighter was a receive one or the other kind of deal. So I got the Glow Milk from Beauty Crop, but we could also have received a Golden Glow number 7 highlighter instead. Highlighter in Pear Pressure. I didn't notice that was the shade. That's really cute. Yeah, I don't mind which of these I would have gotten. Quite pleased with the Beauty Crop one. So, yay. So, got quite a good haul this time. Okay, so this is what we got this time. We got the Pixie Glow Tonic. We got the Collagen Marine Cream from Elemis. We got the Hope in a Jar from Philosophy. The Philip Kinsley Elasticized Booster Hair Conditioner. The Give Them Lala Beauty Lip Kit, which came with the pencil as well. And then the Beauty Crop Glow Milk highlighter. So it's cute. It's nice. Unfortunately, it just took way too long for me to get here for me to be pleased with it this month, which is sad because it's actually a good selection. You know, I'm not mad at what they've given us this month. I'm just mad that they took so bloody long to get it to me and had to be reminded to send it out. So let's see if that continues into the new year. This will probably be me. This will possibly be my last video of the year. I did order some stuff from Lethal Cosmetics in the Black Friday sale, which is also yet to arrive. So if that arrives before the end of the year, I'll probably do an unboxing because it was a mystery box, so that could be quite fun. But otherwise, happy holidays, Merry Christmas if you celebrate, and here's to being further disappointed by Glossybox for another year. Hope you come back to my mythos soon. Bye!